Hi, my name's Christodoulou, and today we're at SHOUGANG GT circuit. This is the number 63 AMG GT3 from Toro Racing, and I'm going to give you a tour around the race.
So here we are, I'm Christo, and we're at SHOUGANG GT circuit. We're on board the Toro Racing AMG GT3, heading into turn 1, hard on the brakes, turn it, squeeze the power up a gear, looking at the mirrors, quick down on the brakes, look at the scenery here, let's go down the extra gear, full power, off we go, follow the drain pipe all the way down, this is like some kind of death race, quick dab on the brakes, get it turned, squeeze the power, ease off roll, get it under the tunnel, hard on the brakes, down to second again, get it rotated, squeeze the power, up a gear, down to second yet again, squeeze the power, straighten up, make a scream, get it turned, full power, up a gear and breathe. Right, so let's just get our breath back just a little bit. Heading onto the fastest part of the track, 230 kilometers an hour, braking at the 100 meter board, get it rotated, squeeze the power, up a gear again, look around to the exit, maximising all the track, down to first gear, squeeze the power, get all the traction, a little bit of wheel spin there, stay with the curve, looking around as far as possible, seeing how long we can keep it flat out here for, see the end of the curve, hard on the brakes, down a gear, squeeze the power, full power through this section, little breather, squeeze the power, straighten up, and that's one lap complete. Whew.